Have you ever felt lonely, even when surrounded by people? That feeling is more common than we imagine. From an early age, we learn to perceive ourselves as separate individuals, me and the other, my body and the world, my mind and reality. But what if I told you that this division is just an illusion? Science, spirituality, and even nature show us that, in truth, everything is deeply connected. The idea of separation comes from the mind. Our brain creates categories to understand reality. It distinguishes me from not me, inside from outside, the known from the unknown. This function was essential for survival, but it also made us believe we are isolated fragments of the whole. This limited view generates feelings of loneliness, fear, and even conflict. Ancient spiritual traditions have always affirmed there is no separation, only unity. Hinduism speaks of Atman and Brahman, the individual soul as a reflection of the Absolute. Buddhism teaches interdependence, showing that nothing exists in isolation. Modern teachers, like Eckhart Tolle, speak of being as the essence that unites everything. Modern science begins to confirm this ancient wisdom. Quantum physics shows us the phenomenon of entanglement. Two particles can remain connected, even when separated by vast distances, influencing each other instantly. This reveals that the universe is not made of independent blocks, but of invisible relationships. Neuroscience also reveals this interconnection. Studies on mirror neurons show that our brain automatically resonates with the emotions of others. When someone suffers, we feel it. When someone laughs, we are moved to laughter. The body reminds us, at all times, that we live in a network. Nature is another living example. Entire forests communicate through roots and underground fungi, sharing nutrients and information. What happens to one tree affects all the others around it. The earth itself, in its intelligence, shows us that life flourishes in cooperation, not in separation. Even our heart proves this truth. It emits an electromagnetic field thousands of times stronger than the brain, and this field can influence people and environments around us. When we are in heart coherence, we radiate balance, and this energy spreads like waves across the ocean of consciousness. When you dissolve the illusion of separation, a new understanding emerges. We are cells of the same cosmic body, expressions of the same universal consciousness. And it is in this state of unity that we begin to awaken our true power. Because if everything is connected, every thought, every emotion, and every intention you project does not disappear into the void. It reverberates through this invisible web of connections. This is how manifestation becomes possible. When you cultivate frequencies of love, gratitude, and abundance, you send out waves that travel through the universal field. These waves find resonance and attract circumstances, people, and opportunities that turn your vision into reality. What we call manifestation is not magic. It is simply the science of connection and action. Manifestation does not mean forcing or struggling against life. It means aligning with the whole, allowing the universal flow to bring to you what already exists in potential. By dissolving separation, you understand that you are not asking something external. You are simply remembering that you and the universe are the same creative energy. And in this state of consciousness, you realize that everything you desire is already possible here and now. If this message resonated with you, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming content. Together, we can expand this network of consciousness and manifest a more connected, abundant, and loving reality.